You're gonna take a bath now. Oh, don't eat your scratching post. Babe, remember the video you two?
No, you don't want the video, babe.
Oh man, Josie. That was awesome. She looked right at the camera. There's not even any catnip over there.
I know.
She's just crazy. Josie, what are you doing? Stop it. Stop it.
Hey, Ethan. She looks like a tough hair. Stop that.